Are you tired of working for someone else's dreams while you put your own on hold? I get it. I always knew there was more to life than just work and no play. I've tried everything: network marketing, affiliate marketing, Amazon, direct selling, but nothing compares to what I've discovered now. At 36, I refuse to keep building someone else's dreams for a limited paycheck. If this sounds like you, keep watching. I have something life changing to share with you. I found an interactive digital program that teaches you digital marketing skills step by step. It shows you how to build a brand. It shows you how to attract a following, and you don't need any tech skills because it's a pre-built automated system. They literally give everything to you. You just have to plug in and play and have the automated system go to work for you 24/7. Plus, you earn 100% profit, which is anything from $100 to $900 per day. Would that bring more excitement and help to achieve your dreams? It is 100% up to you whether your dream life will simply stay a dream or whether it's going to become your reality. Make it happen. You owe it to yourself. Comment yes for more information.